Yes, sir. Kasi for you guys, your politicians, you forgotten what it's like to be a normal, Sir, kahit mamatay pa yung magulang ko, walang nagbabayad sa amin. And we've done this for many administrations, not just for the Marcos administration. If there's somebody who fall out, we fall out. Pero, people who don't like what you say asks you to investigate us. Pero sir, cyber libel always exists. So pwede kaming kasuhan. Sir, you cannot go into politics and expect. Hey! So there's another way, and it's up to you. It's not up to us, it's up to you. Sir, the way you did it, the way you did it, normal people, then you shouldn't have it. Wala, sana ina-investigate niyo kami, ina-amble lang nila kami, pag nakita niyo, wala naman palang clue na meron kami nagbabayad sa amin.
Pinatulong pa, pinasuhan nyo na lang kami.
Because sir, para sa inyo, this is just another day at your job. But this is just another day sa job ninyo. Pero you've been affecting the lives of normal Filipinos. Like her, like some of us, we can take it. Like Trixie, she's a lawyer. But some of us are just normal people. Alam mo sir. So maybe for you guys, we're just a job for you. But pero sir, you chose to have this life. We are normal people na nagrereklamo lang. Kasi you chose this life. We have no stake. We have no professional stake.
Yes, sir.
Sir, you cannot go. Ako sir.
She's the most affected kasi she's a mother.
Sir, ako sir, I understand.
Even kanina, ang daming pasama.
Kasi MJ, she's very demure, she's very hindi na kaya sir. Ako naiintindihan ko natin kapag wala kasi sila lang ng sino.
Diba, an eye for an eye makes the whole world
Kasi why we need to set up standards and parameters. Kasi kita natin talaga, wala parang may use to have it.
So alam ko, and then sinabi niya sa team,
meron na akong inaral ko lahat ng
Have you submitted some...
Ipapa-subpoena niya kung sasali kayo. So that's why I knew that I was there because of him. So I didn't submit one, hindi pa. So for them, sir, hindi sila ganun.
We can try to look at it as well.
Sir, if you just know that we're just normal people, normal lang kami. Na nag-aano naman.
ibang kaso rin eh.
Kahit nakapag-usap kami, tignan siya yung mga pera namin, which is normal.
Pero alam mo kasi ako, ang way of thinking ko kanina,
sir, mamatay pa wala namin.
let's try to point it out kung ano magkakaroon ng solution.
Yeah, you cannot just forget it because
No, I understand you. Naiintindihan ko rin kayo. But of course, things happen during the committee hearings.
Hindi ako na tsaka sir, for your
It's
information.
part of it. Pero alam mo, sabi ko nga, kailangan, we're all together in this. Kasi yung mga point of view nyo, kailangan din namin.
Yun na nga, sir, we live on social media. Do you know that in an average day, nakakadima ako na masasabihin, pro-China ka. Sir, we are nakabag ko sa akin. Like, I went to China. Pero kung titignan niyo yung post ko, hindi ko dinidefend ang China. Hindi na.
Sa iyo, wala akong gano'n.
Wala akong lumabag dito. Like,
ang problem lang, because one group pero
yun na nga.
I understand that. Kasi gusto kasi naman ba sila lahat eh. Wala akong gano'n eh.
Patatamaan
Saka sir, this was a hearing.
I'm very happy that you brought up.
Sir, this was a hearing as resource people, but we were never allowed
Galileo
to
was a
speak.
scientist
Next
and he
time,
was right, but he
please
was
naman, when you
silent.
want to
Yun yung point namin.
help people
The knee-jerk
Kasi if
reaction.
you're just going to let us outside, parang ma-embarrass lang kami doon. No one will come na, sir. No one will come.
We're talking about the greatest right that the Constitution guarantees. Pagkatapos, ganun lang pag-uusapan, nasaktan kasi siya because of something that he said. And we're happy, sue us for libel.
She was a mess.
Pero yung ganun, alam naman natin, kinokontrol niya yung environment.
Hindi kaya, hindi kasalanan na
happened there? Wala na yun, nilabas nila naman ang picture ko.
So you cannot sprout the
Wala akong fake news. Pero ako yung ginawa ninyo. Ginawa ninyo what? Ginawa ninyo poster girl ng fake news. Wala akong fake news kahit isa. How can you all do that to me? Wala akong magpapicture. All immunity. Diba? May immunity kayo eh. Ako, labang ko. Ako yung nilabang mo mukha for fake news, sir. Tama ba yun? Wala ako kahit isang fake news na binigay na ginawa. Tapos,
no, sir, you're a better person than many of them because you stayed
nilabas nila na yun.
So thank you.
And I couldn't even speak out.
So you're a decent person because ikaw lang ang
Tapos yung video ko
sa iba, they just left us. Akala nila, tapos yung trabaho. They didn't really realize. Kaya you know, karma has a way of...
But I'm taking it to social media. Yeah.
I don't know.
Muna tayong pinag-waiting kay Hardo.
Siya ganun.
Wala na si Ahmed eh. Or at least
yung headband niya, sir.
where
Wala akong
inform ka namin.
wala akong tinuro sa inyo. And yet ako ginawa yung poster girl for fake
Ako, sir, si Julia Sidre, in-out of context ako because he hated it. In-out of context, yung daw, pinutol niya. He did not tell the rest. That's why wala na kami kumain sa akin. Sir, I'm a trained journalist. I studied in the States. I studied in Lasal. I studied in New York University. Pero gagawa niya ako ng parang fake news just because he hated me. And Julia Sidre told my uncle na, alam mo kung sino gumagastos nito? Si Yeda. Si Yeda para pagbayarin ka sa mga... Tama ba yun? Sasabihin ako na taxpayer na si Yeda Romualdez gumagastos ng hearing na to para pagbayarin lahat ng kasalanan. Kasalanan ko. Pag-agree ako sa yan ang sinasabi ko. That's why I understand you guys. But I understand also that you have to not use the power of... Sir, yung fake news na yan, this is not the way. If you really wanted to know how to fix this is not the way. Nakaka-quiet lang kami, hindi kami takot kami magsalita. Kasi baka...
Siguro